I just want to make a quick video of this old Harris manufacturing company trailer. I used to tow these behind like VWs and whatnot. Tried to keep this short, my battery's dying. And it's pretty rusty, but would expect for having dirt in it for 20 years. Used to be in my grandma's backyard. We used to grow tomatoes and hot peppers and all sorts of stuff. I can't really see. My flash ain't working. It's too dark. Story of my life. Maybe I'll make a video tomorrow. Single axle trailer. Remember my grandpa got her from someone a long time ago, and then he gave it to my dad. Then they just put it in my grandparents' backyard. So I got moss on it. Single light. See where the license plate went. It's hard to see. I'll make a video tomorrow. Anybody has any information on these, let me know. Cool trailer. This was going to be my rat rod's bed. My 37 Ford. I got a video of that. So I had to sell it. You know how life is. Life's all groovy till you're broke. I got the bag of rocks in there because it was kind of wobbly. Don't want my kids knocking it down. Pretty cool though. Single axle. Kind of neat. Like I said, anybody's got any information on this, let me know. Thank you all. Good night.